My name is Kristinn Pálsson. I am the CEO of dent. We help airlines to communicate and manage dent and damage and repair records on their aircraft fleet. Our market is a commercial airline all around the world. Now, when damage is found on an aircraft, when damage is found on an aircraft, the communication and lack of communication or information delays the aircraft from service. Our solution really simplifies that problem. It simplifies the communication and makes sure that all information is at hand from first scratch. Dent is a combination of a mobile solution where the user records information in 3D environment and online solution which is fully synchronized with the mobile app and the airline's maintenance system. The market we are focused on is partly served today with home-grouped solutions. Airlines are using AutoCAD and Excel for this, as well as some companies are providing airlines with some solutions to cover part of this issue. We can offer all airlines around the world our solution to this problem. We also stand out in terms of we are focusing on 3D technology, communications, and mobile solutions. The aviation, in the last 40 years, the aviation worldwide has grown 400%. In the next 20 years, the aviation doubled in size, and the number of airplanes will grow from 27,000 to 54,000. The base revenue streams that I have today is that we are selling dent as a software service. We also offer airline with data migration services. And the future streams will hold data information and consultancy services, as well as dent is fully integratable into other industries such as car rentals, ships industry, and the surveillance industry. Then our 3D solution aligns very well with all technologies such as augmented reality. Our vision is to be #1 damage recording solution in the world. I've been in aviation for 8 years, and this is my second startup in the last 3 years. On our board of directors, we have very experienced people. We have founders and directors in the airline industry. We have founders and directors in the aircraft maintenance industry, and we have founders and directors in the aviation IT industry. Our chief of operations, Paul Crabb, has very much experience in the software industry and has been in the industry since 1989. Our CTO, Michal Pawlowski, is also a very experienced software developer, and his background comes from the aviation maintenance software industry. Now, we simply know our customers. We know who they are, we know how many airplanes they have, we know what types of airplanes they have. We use our networks to get to them, and we show up on trade shows and the media when we're going to new markets. It's a very focused industry, and people show up on trade shows. Then we show dent to stakeholders in this industry which is heavily regulated. Where we are today, we have published dent version 1, and we are selling it around the world in partnership with agents in Australia, America, and Europe. We have set up development and sales offices in Iceland, Poland, and the UK. We are getting traction in all places we are focusing on. Thank you.